So good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are playing as a stranger peer talk how to talk, and I am the student of this institute, and today I will teach how to play as a stranger in a first time. So let's start.
So, hey sir, sorry, I'll be needing you just 2 minutes if you won't mind.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I was just in that table and I was just looking at your dishes. I mean, this was looking so fabulous from their side. I mean, I hope must be nice because you have ordered that. Can I have the name of that?
So sir, thanks for this dish, and this dish name is cutlet, as a red cutlet.
What?
Cutlet.
Cutlet?
Yes, this is the very popular dish in Delhi, and this restaurant is especially popular for this dish.
Is there anyone who is joining you in this
No,
table?
sir, today I am.
If you won't mind, can I?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So, can you please brief me more so that I can have this cutlet? I mean, same cutlet, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so for that I'll order that. Can I have one bite of that if you won't mind?
So, yes, you can.
I know it will be looking a bit awkward. No, I'm
No,
coming
no,
to you
sir, you
directly.
can.
You know, you don't know me, I don't know you. But for me it is very important because in Delhi, I mean, today's morning only I have entered in Delhi and just wanted to have certain things. But this was so confusing for me because I somehow belongs to village only, and these things I have not seen over there.
So you are new in Delhi.
Yes, new in Delhi.
Oh, so maybe in which state you belongs?
I belong from Jharkhand.
So what are you doing in Delhi?
I mean, I just came to one of my attend one of my friend marriage. I mean, he was my school only, but he moved Delhi to do businesses and all. But now he's getting married, so I just came over here.
So maybe in Delhi you are living with alone, or as you are staying in your friend home, or you are staying as
No,
alone?
my friend basically booked one hotel for me, so
Okay.
I'll be visiting over there. But for sure, I mean, in that hotel as well, for visiting before visiting over there, I must be knowing certain dishes name, no, because somehow it will be very awkward for me to explain them what I'll be needing. Because in village, the dishes I used to have, for sure, I'm not going to have certain over there.
Okay, so I am also belongs to you, as you can say, villages. I know which type of dishes in villages and in Delhi. So maybe I think you like this cutlet. The reason is the cutlet is very popular, maybe, and if you take this type of cutlet, so maybe you will like, and in future you will also take this type of things.
Can I have one bite if you don't mind?
Okay, so you can take this.
This looks so yummy.
Yes,
So,
yes.
can I have the stuff name? I mean, from which stuff basically this got implemented?
So this thing is, as you can say, made by one thing, potato, and sometimes they also put another dishes. As a this time they put as a very special spices. They can't tell to each and every people, and truly I also don't know.
To be honest, this when you started talking about that potato, now I just remember one thing by potato, which is bhurji only. I mean, if you are having pulse, rice, then a potato. If you are going to have brinjal, if you are going to have lily fingers and all the vegetables, you can combine this potato one. No? But I was amazed when you started to talk about, okay, maybe potato we can make this as well.
Okay, so sir, maybe in Delhi you will take lots of the things related to only potato, just like sometimes burger, aloo tikki, and many more things. It is also made by the potato, and I think when you will visit any type of places, so you will also find potato in lots of the varieties. So I think that's the reason in Delhi, in the simple, as you can say, foods, they are converted into, as you can say, special dishes.
So what do you do basically in Delhi? I mean,
So,
you look so familiar in Delhi, no?
yes,
You are
in-
pretty much aware with the things.
So in Delhi, I am doing a job, and today is off my. So that's the reason. Today I make a one type of plan to hang with my friends, but in the end of the moment they cheat us and they didn't come on that time.
I feel
I have to
bad.
spend my time, so I will come in this.
I'm so sorry. I feel really bad for these incidents which had happened to you.
But yes, I make as you can say, in this restaurant I meet you, and I think right now you are familiar with me, so I think right now you are my friend.
You know what? This is so surprising for me that I didn't ask your name and you didn't ask my name, and we had
Oh,
discussed
sorry,
a lot.
I
No?
forgot.
Just to let you know, my name is Prince, and I had mentioned that I have come from Jharkhand only to attend one marriage.
So sir, in Delhi you are doing coming for education purpose or as a joy?
No,
job
to
purpose?
attend the marriage only. I mean,
Marriage.
and one more thing, I just wanted to have idea about that hotel which I'm where I'm going to stay.
Yes.
That is near the Select City Mall only. Do you know about the locality of that? Because somehow I'm afraid that what is it?
So this electricity area is very good. I hear lots of the times on that area the peoples are very educated and they are very kind hearted. I think you are staying in a very good place. You
Then
can't-
it will be good for me because
Yes,
somehow in news channel we have seen, okay, these are the structures, these are the snatchers, or maybe these are the crime which is happening in Delhi. So my mom, dad, even they were so afraid, should I send my son or not? So but I insist them, okay ma'am, please, mom, please let me go because he's my one of school friend, no, so I need to attend
So
that.
sir, yes, you are said right. You said about the right, but after maybe 11 o'clock as a night, so you need little bit awareness because sometimes the hooligans and the pocket picker, as you can say, this type of snatchers, this type of things is, as you can say, nearby the area, and sometimes they are wearing as a very just like clothes in a very good, and sometimes just as you can say, sometimes they said I need a call, I want to call to my as an emergency. On that time they snatch this type of things, and sometimes they carry as a gun. So be aware.
Thank you for the knowledge. I'll for sure I'll don't do that, and if there'll be any person who will be asking for the support, so for sure I'll bit maintain the space. But you are not having your cutlet only. Please have it. No, I'll arrange one more for you.
Okay, sir.
Hi waiter, can we have 2 more plates cutlet? Yeah.
Yes.
So you tell me about you were talking about the business that you are doing in Delhi. So what do you think? Do you live with your family in Delhi?
Yes, in Delhi I'm living with my
Then
family.
it would be perfect for because
Yes,
the
yes.
family that you are having and the cities in Delhi. My goodness, this is so amazing. I'm so proud that I'm so glad as well that I met you.
Okay, so maybe in Delhi we saw lots of the things. Maybe, but in sometimes I also face lots of the problems. Many people say yes, the Delhi is looking very good, but truly in the morning time, when I went to my when I go to my office, truly I stuck in maybe half an hour or sometimes more than half an hour in the traffic. In many people they are facing the traffic in the morning and sometimes evening.
Thank God that that marriage which he's going to do. is
So
near the
after
hotel
marriage
only.
you will stay in Delhi or you will
I
go
was
your
just
hometown?
basically thinking, for sure I got you. For sure I'll be needing certain more points. Certain more points related to tourism and all where I can go.